Namaste guys, I'm Cam. I'm from Flex Hot Yoga in Norman Park. I'm grateful to be the studio manager as well as one of the senior facilitators on our teacher training programs here at the studio. I've been practicing for the past 25 years. My life was saved by a wonderful martial arts trainer when I was about 8 who taught me the art of meditation at that age, so I was very fortunate. And I've been practicing modality styles from power to hatha to tantric practice and some kundalini, and I share an amalgamation of that in our yin and our power classes here at the studio. You're going to get a little bit of philosophy and theming, a little bit of guide towards your breath, and some challenging asana. Come and have some fun at the studio, and hopefully I'll see you on the mat soon. Namaste.